Your next car could be the 2022 Nissan Altima. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, blind spot monitor, heated front seat, dual zone AC, electronic stability control. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.